Okay, everybody, I hope you can see my screen. All right, I'll put this there so in that way it's not disturbing us. And this is a monthly chart I'm looking at, USD Japanese yen, if you could see it here. All right, my voice is going to be a bit funny, so excuse me. Okay, I hope you can hear me and you could understand me clearly. I'm struggling to talk. I don't know why. My voice goes funny towards the end of the night. Um, okay, today is Sunday night here in UK. And I'm going to take a position on my USD Japanese yen sell trade. Okay. And I'm going to tell you my entry level and exit level, where my stop is going to be, where my target is going to be. Okay. So as you can see, the blue line over here, the blue line is my sell entry, and the red line is my stop loss. That's where my stop loss is. Obviously, I want that trade to go down to this green line from where it is, yeah? But I'm not just going to go in where the price is now. I want it to come back to this blue line and take me in. And if it hits the blue line, then that means the market is supposed to go down, right? And if it goes down, my target is going to be to that green line. And how I came out the green line, let me change my glasses. Okay, hold on a minute. Okay, how I came out with this green line because the market has broken that trend. So that gives me an idea that market is coming down, right? So if I just take my um, Fibonacci retracement tool and put from here to the new low, yeah, from the recent high to the recent low, 61%, 61.8% is just around here where the market is at the moment, right? And I'm looking for hesitation here, and that's why I'm putting it my trade in where the blue line is, because the market is above that blue line. If you look at it here, the market is just where the 61.8 is at the moment, right? So I want the market to go down at 150, 134 and take my trade in. My stop's going to be at 162.17. As you can see here, the red line is at 162.17. I will put these details below that video so you know exactly where to enter and where to exit. So I'm entering at 61.8 level, and my target is going to 161.8, which is around here where the green line is. Okay, just there. All right. Right now, I'm going to take this off because otherwise it creates too much busyness. Right? So now you can see clearly where my why my target is going to be here because it's 1.61.8 here. And I'm just going to this current retracement area, which is um, 61.8. So my entry is going to be, if the market goes below or just comes back to 150, 134, I want my sell entry to trigger, my stop will be triggered, and my profit target will be triggered. So this is my USD Japanese yen trade. So let me tell you how many pips you would be making if you are um, trading this and how many pips you will be risking. So the risk is, first measure the risk. The risk is about 1100 pips. Okay. As you can see, 1100 pips, right? So the reward, we want at least it to be 2 to 1, so twice as much. Yeah. Right. Now, from here, 1100 risking for 2500 pips. So 2500, 12 pips. So it's more than 2 to 1 actually. So I will take this trade anytime. Okay. Um, but this trade is going to take about 8 to 12 months. Okay. Bear this in mind if you're taking this trade. don't be expecting it to complete it by next week because it's not going to happen like that. This is a monthly chart I'm looking at, weekly chart. And if you look at a monthly chart, look how many months it took from here to go to here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10 months, realistically talking, right? But market doesn't always go straight up and straight down. It's going to wiggle around before it goes there. So 8 to 10 months is safe to say that, okay? But it is a very good trade if all works out. This is my USD Japanese yen trade, and I will put all the details below that video for you to monitor, okay? Um, if you're trading this, good luck, and I will speak to you also. Look, on the daily weekly chart, there is a doji. Doji means indecision. So it's creating a resistance area here, I believe. Okay. As long as it goes past that doji with a red bar, I'm expecting a big red bar coming and taking this over. That will confirm it, right? If next week's bar is big red bar, that will confirm that I was right. Um, and it will obviously take me into that trade as well. Okay, so let's see how it works out. Good luck, everybody, and I'll speak to you all soon. That's my USD Japanese yen trade. I'm risking 1100 for 2500 pips. Speak to you all soon.